Hi everyone, hope you guys are doing great. In last video, we have discussed how to set up an Angular app. So today we'll be discussing about the basic structure of how Angular apps are configured, and we'll be looking into very basic things. Step by step, we are going to see how it works. So without further ado, let's proceed to our app. Okay, so we have developed the skill showcase. Let me just run this app once again. I'm opening the terminal with control tilde. You can go to the menu as well and go to the terminal. So over here, but I prefer to use the shortcut keys. Let me just clear it up. And what we have used was run start command. What it will do, it will start a server. So let's just wait for this. Okay, so we have our app start. We have run the npm run start, and server is running at for 4200 port. So you can see over here, this is the default app that we have with us, and we haven't set up anything, but this is the boilerplate code. So let's see how it's coming and how it's showing up. So within our Angular app, you can see like there are multiple folders being created. One is the source, and these are the node modules. But the main file that we are going to work and see is the index.html. So you can see over here, let me just move it down. This is the index page. The title, you can see the skill showcase, and over here you can see in the bar the skill showcase. Let me just do one thing for you just to quickly show you. I'll refresh the page later. Let me just do this way. So this is the title, and you can see a link and header. But there is one more thing which is specifically particular to Angular app, that is app root. So if let me just comment it out. Let me just comment it out, and just give me a minute. Let me do one thing. I'm performing a control C, and I'll be running. I'll see if it works with the watch. What does watch do? Watch basically keep watching your server. Any changes that you perform over here on this file is going to get reflected instantly. So watch mode being enabled. So let's see if it works. Okay, not at that point of time. So let me just do one thing. Let me just start it up again, and let me just open it for now. We will see later why it actually happened. So over here you can see the skill showcase do have some space, and over here there is nothing being displayed. So this is the main thing that is basically rendering every content. Now let me just do this, and let me just see if we can get hold of. Okay, just okay. So now we are going to run npm run start, which is going to run the server as well. And when we'll be performing any changes, it will be immediately reflected. I'll later guide you how this npm run start will eventually be running ngserve. and watching the changes as well. So let me just click that up. Oh, hey, you can see we have just changed the skill showcase name, but you can see the content over here. So let's just go to that and okay, let me just drag it below. Within the source folder, you can see over here, there's an app component. So how basically it's working, like over here, when we are when we have created the boilerplate code, the app root is this tag has been created. This is eventually somehow being resolved to this. I can show you the file. You can see over here within this component. The app root is the actual selector. So this is the way Angular is somehow rendering this component. So let's try to change something. So skill showcase, you can see over here, there is no space. So let's just add a space over here. You can see page is reloaded and sent to the client. So you can see the changes are immediate because we are using the watch. So this way, this component. So as we are able to grasp, there is a main HTML file as well as an app component. So and this is the way how it's working. So just quickly walk you through how a component is created. A component do have a TypeScript file. This is the TypeScript file, and this is an HTML page and SCS file because we have chosen this SCSS. It's empty because there is nothing as of now. So once we will be adding more to it, then we can have the SCSS over here. A spec file. So it automatically creates a set of test cases or not test cases, a unit test. I'll showcase that as well, how unit tests will run along the way. We'll be like developing our app. So for today, we can grasp that app component as well as the HTML. The combination of this is working. So hopefully, so far you are able to grasp how an Angular application is being created and the way the source and the app folder do have the component and how the HTML component do exist. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your time. Uh, See you. Bye.